The following video includes the desired output for Duke2C in the Calculate section for Exercise 2. For Exercise 2, let's have a look at Task A. And everything in Task A has been done for you. It really does a good job at setting up for Task B. So, let's make a prediction based on what we see here. Right away at the top, we can see we're going to import the utility scanner in Java. So that tells me that we are going to collect user information using the keyboard. And then they go on to identify 3 variables using the string type of variable and leaving the speech marks here empty, as the indicator is going to just take the user input for text. And then going on to the input section, we have the basic output command of system.out.print. What is your name? Alright, and then it's going to go on and not just name, but it says surname, and it goes on to identify how the variable will collect the user information. And then a second question is asked, and again, it's just print, not print line. So that should be an indicator that it's going to put the information close to each other. And it looks like there's going to be you need to start thinking about this as well, that information is going to be stored. And then we go on for the programming to include a process. So the email variable equals to surname plus, wait, no, hold on. It is not just plus. It is combining text at the beginning and at the end. And in the middle, think of this as like a sandwich, is text, but we know this as the @ symbol. And way back at the beginning of the lessons on Duke 1A, in Duke 1A exercise 3 or 4, you will include text together, combined in different segments like this, using the plus signs here. It is not addition, it's just an indicator that it's combining data together. And then the final output will say this, and then once again using the plus sign to combine not just text, so it's like a reverse of between these two lines here. It is going to include the variable in between text here and text there. Okay, so when you click run, you should see the person's email address when you click run. So then task B, you're going to utilize the same procedures where you set up the keyboard, set up the variables. So set up the variables here, company website. We'll have that in there. For the input, it's going to ask you some questions. So let's figure out what do we need, okay? So here, the output will basically just be a website address, okay? So that's the goal. And the name of the charity, so it's a nonprofit organization. And the process, so we're going to add the website concatenate concatenate. Sorry, I forgot the name there. And then outputs should display just the website address based on the name of the charity and the user information. So what is your organization name? And if the name of the organization is Lovelace, then it will then return back saying the company website URL is this. So this is basically what your output will be. So these instructions are found in the lesson folder instructions right there. You do not need to use these exact words. You can be creative and do something different. I hope that gives you some direction.